So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to integrate minus pi to pi cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx, where a is a positive number. Now, this is an integral which contains trigonometric function as well as exponential function. So first what we do is, using properties of definite integration, we'll try to convert this expression into a single function. That is, what I do is, so I'm going to use the property integration from a to b f of x dx is equal to integration from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So if I have f of x, I can as well write f of x as f of a plus b minus x. So here you can see that a plus b is 0. So a plus b is 0. That means I can replace x with minus x. The integration does not change. So let us say that this is equal to I. So I is also equal to integration from minus pi to pi. So I put minus x in the place of x. So cos square x does not change by 1 plus a power minus x dx. So that is equal to integration minus pi to pi. A power minus x is 1 by a power x. So cos square x times, if I take LCM, you get a power x by 1 plus a power x. So now what I say is, I'll add these two equations. So 2i is equal to integration from minus pi to pi cos square x by 1 plus a power x, cos square x into a power x by 1 plus a power x. So if I take cos square x as common, you get 1 plus a power x by 1 plus a power x is 1 dx. So 2i is nothing but integration from minus pi to pi cos square x dx. So now what I do is, I'll put integration from minus a to a f of x dx. If this function is an even function, I can write this as 2 times 0 to pi. So as you can see, if I put minus x in the place of x, cos square x does not change. This is an even function. Hence, I can write as 2 times 0 to pi cos square x dx. So 2i is equal to this, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So integration from 0 to pi 1 plus cos 2x by 2 dx. That is equal to half times 1 dx. Integration is x from 0 to pi. You get pi. And cos 2x integration is sin 2x by 2. And sin 2x is equal to 0 at both these intervals. So you get 0. So equal to pi by 2. So I is equal to pi by 2 is the answer. Thank you.